if you are looking for a bit of an inspiration how to pair things up and accessorize your gorgeous headpiece, then this stunning porcelain flower headband would certainly match up quite beautifully with these beautiful feminine porcelain flower earrings with tiny pearls in them. Just take a look. The flowers are almost identical. But like I said in my previous video, sometimes it's not about matching the flower exactly to the flower of the earring to the flower of your headpiece. As long as the color matches, then you could totally wear it with confidence, knowing that you are beautiful, you look elegant and stylish. And I hope this inspires you. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this is something you'd wear, you'd combine and wear on your special day. Can't wait to hear your comments.